Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and everybody in between as well. This is Rumen. I thought in this episode today I could go over some of the locations that I have saved in the past because I have not actually played this game in a while, so I would like to see what locations I have saved. Bright and beautiful. Why did I save this? Oh, wait, I made a video about this. Yeah. It's so hot starting this carbon star that these planets are leaving entrails. Yeah, look at that. Poor little guy. Imagine if we could withstand these conditions. Look at that. It's so hot that the floor is just like white. So hot. Alright, any more interesting locations? Huh. Look at that. Imagine that. Man. Wouldn't that be something to see? Imagine if our sun looked like that in the sky. Man. Alright, let's find a really interesting location. Let's find a place that'll really blow us away. Location does not exist. Oh my gosh. Oh man, some of these locations aren't even rendered anymore, I guess. Kind of a shame. What is this? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Why did I save this location? This song is really cool sounding. Alright, very bright planet. And I guess I saved it because I liked how it, like, eclipsed the sun. Look at that. Wow. Let's look at the moons, actually. Let's look at some of the moons that we got going on here. Wow, look at that. So dark. Let's land on it. Let's land on it. Let's get rid of the HUD. There we go. Come on. Oh my gosh. There we go. Okay. Let's get rid of the HUD and let's land on it. Okay, here we are. Here we are. Look at that. Imagine being here. Like, what would you think? Like, imagine being able to withstand these conditions and, like, be here to admire this view. Otherworldly, you're not gonna see anything like this ever in your lifetime in real life. But we have space engine for that. Whoa. My gosh. There we go. I'm on the planet again now. This is an ocean of some sort. Here, it's made of H2O. No. Looks too brown to be H2O. Very interesting. Just a beautiful water planet. Wow. Very, very bright star we got going on. Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh. So freaking bright. I wonder what the closest heavenly body to this thing is. Oh, and I just want to planet. Alright, this is the closest planet to it. Whoa. There's a moon. Alright, let's land here. Let's land here. Let's land right in this crater. Wow, dude. Look at that. Man, you can even see its other moons. Because this is a moon. And like, use your imagination and like really try to immerse yourself in this moment and try to imagine that you're here. Like, what would you think of all of this? It's beautiful and it's terrifying at the same time. And those are all the galaxies. Look at that. Look at that. You can't even zoom out. They're just everywhere. There's like no bigger picture to see here. This is it. You are in it. You are in the bigger picture. All right, let's look at some other locations I've saved in the past. Magnificent eclipse. Yeah, look at that. This planet is just like Earth. See up here it says organic, multicellular, marine, and terrestrial life. Just like Earth. It's a temperate super terra with life. Composition is H2O. The temperature is negative 3.52 Celsius, which is incredibly cold, but I believe we as a species could manage. We can persevere. Granted, that's like super cold, but yeah. I believe in us. I believe in ourselves. I believe we can live in that condition. Anyway, look at this. This moon right here. Wow. Is like almost casting a perfect eclipse, and you can even find its shadow. There it is. Look at that. Look at that. There it is. Imagine seeing something like this on Earth. Imagine that. Right in the head of the eclipse, and look up. You can even see the planet's shadow cast off of this Earth-like planet's rings. Isn't that something? Yeah, there's its shadow. There's the sun. There's the moon. There's its shadow on the rings, and then there's its shadow on the planet. And look at that. There's the shadow of the ring on the planet as well. Like, how could I not save this location? Like, oh my gosh, just look at that. That's incredible. That's beautiful. The fact that this game exists is like a freaking miracle, dude. Like how does like how is this possible? Like, I don't have any experience in game development, but oh my gosh. I wonder how many textures are in this game. Hey, just look at that. Alright, let's land here. Wow. I don't want to get redundant. But, like, just, like, imagine, like, being here and imagine being able to withstand these conditions. And, like, being here is perfectly fine. Like, imagine that. Like, imagine just, like, looking up and then you see that. Like, what would you think? You see this, like, almost exact planet like Earth, but, like, has, like, a ring around it, an asteroid belt around it. And it's freezing. It's a freezing Earth. What'd you think? I don't know. Alright, let's look at some other beautiful locations that I have saved in the past. Alright, let's check this one out. Look at that. Organic, multicellular, terrestrial life on this planet. That is very interesting. Half of it is just so dark. The other half is... It's like an egg. Like, it looks like it needs to be cracked open. You know what I mean? Like, right down the split right here. Alright, let's land where planet divides. Let's see what it looks like on the surface. Okay. Go. I'm landed. And gotta get closer. There we go. Okay. Let me get rid of that HUD. Look at that. Is there a place like this in real life? Like, is there any place on Earth that looks like this, kind of? Probably. I mean, maybe not, like, in this sense. Like, not, like, this tan and this blackness. But maybe something similar somewhere in a smaller formation. I don't know. There it is. There is life on this planet, which is really interesting. Like, there is life living and breathing. Look at that. You can land on the surface again. You can look up. Just beautiful. Alright, let's see what other locations I've saved in the past. Alright. Why did I save That's Pretty Neat? Why did I name it this? See here? Still not seeing the picture yet. Nothing too interesting. Alright, I'm looking at these stars, and I'm not quite sure why I named it That's Pretty Neat. I'm not sure why I saved it either. (500°C). Imagine being able to withstand these conditions. What would you think? Anyway, wow. It's like a freaking video game level. Was it the stars themselves that I thought were interesting? Maybe I thought the orbits were cool. I don't know. Wait a minute. Hold on a second. Wait a minute. I think I found why I thought this was interesting. It's because right here, you have this planet circling in a circle in a circle around this binary star system, and around this planet that's circling in a circle around this binary star system, you have another planet that's circling around it. So you have this planet rotating around this planet. which is rotating around nothing, and this planet's orbital path is rotating around 2 stars. That's interesting. That is pretty neat. Okay, let's check out what other places we got going on. Let's see what I've saved in the past. Perfect rings. Look at that. Hold on a second. Whoa. The orbits around this. Wow, it's almost like mathematical beauty right here. Oh my gosh. Hold on a second. Look at how perfect circles these are. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I'm on the surface of the planet now. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh. The game's kind of glitching out right now. There we go. Look at the rings. Those rings almost go up to the planet's surface, but they're so thin and hard to see. You can just barely see them. Wow. That's interesting. Okay. Why did I save this moon? This moon hot airless microcarbonia? Kind of confused. Okay. Like, look at this. This is the galaxy I saved, right? And when I go into my locations, you can see, like, right here, there's, like, a star or something. So I must have saved that star because I thought it was cool. But when I actually go to the location, the star is gone. What is this, though? What is this moon? Oh my gosh. Huh. Did it move? Not quite sure what happened here. Whoa. The red dwarf. Over here. Wow. All right, let's look at some of the moons surrounding any of these. Whoa, a lot of planets here. I'm gonna try to get on this rock. There we go. Look at that. Wow. Wow. That's beautiful. Oh my gosh. The stars are so prominent. Beautiful. Because we're in a star cluster. Imagine this. We're going on an adventure to see, to get a full view of this planet over the horizon. Go. Gotta see it. Gotta see it in its full glory. There we go. I think the game's kind of glitching out because it just, like, teleported me over a bunch of steps. That wasn't a cut. That was like the game itself. I did not edit that. Wow, imagine seeing that. Freaking amazing. It's quite inspirational. It makes you think, don't it? Gets you into the writing mood, perhaps. Beautiful. I guess I saved this star cluster because I thought it was cool. But I happened to save it really far away. I don't know what I was thinking when I did that. Kind of funny. All right, what is this? Berry Center, Bari Center. Oh God. Fuck, that's haunting. That's haunting. What happened here? Dude, what happened right here? That's actually haunting. Oh my God. Poor thing. This black hole. That's a black hole. This black hole. Oh shit, come on. Is so freaking close to that star. Wait, is that a black hole? No. Wait, that is a black hole. Oh my gosh. Okay, anyway. Black hole is so close to that star. Hold on a second. Let me look at the rotations. My gosh. What the fuck? Oh, wow. What is this? Is this is not a black hole. This is a black hole. There's a black hole right here. And way, way over there, right next to that star. Oh my God. Dude. And hold on, wait a minute. Let me slow down. Let me slow down. Okay, and let me turn off the orbits. Okay, just look at how it bends the light around it. It's invisible. It's invisible. Black holes are these giant monsters in space. You can't see, and they just tear everything apart. Man, what is happening over here? Oh no, wait, let me check out the planets. Dude, imagine there's like life here, and they like don't even know that they're in close proximity to two black holes. Imagine that. They have no idea. Would they ever know? That's the question. There's just this black hole right here. There is a star and a black hole rotating around another black hole. That's so interesting. I might end the video off here at some point because this seems like a good climax. But holy shit. What are you? Wow, you are 2,000 degrees Celsius. My God. I should probably turn off the orbits by now. You can't even see above the clouds because it's so thick. See, like, this looks like the ground. No, those are clouds. And imagine, okay, just imagine seeing something like that. Imagine if our sun could look up to our sun on Earth and you saw a cluster like that around it. Imagine if there was something similar that we could see from Earth. Imagine that. Oh my gosh. Man, that's so interesting. What happened here? Something got destroyed. Something horrible and beautiful happened millions and millions of years ago. Oh, wait, I want to try to land on one of these rocks. It's gonna be hard, though. Alright. So bright. So bright. It's reflecting almost all of the light it can off of it. Because it's so hot. Wow. That sure is something. So fucking huge. Alright, alright. Watch how this thing moves when I speed up time. Oh my god. Dude. Look at that. They move so impossibly slow. But this thing, spinning so fast. Huh. Dude. It's a monster. Alright, let's go in. If I can. I want to enter black hole. Go. Alright, I think we made it in. I can't find the exit. We are stuck inside the black hole, or are we? Oh, there it is. There's the exit. Okay. And now we leave. You know, some astronomers theorize that the universe that we live in is inside a black hole that resides in a bigger universe than ours. All right. That was quite beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, ladies and gentlemen. I will see you on the silver lining.